Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can create a custom list for your ClickUp dashboard. And let's start. So you have a ClickUp list here that you can use, or a table. What can I do is to add on the right top corner, add a column or a custom list. And here you have option that you can create a new field. You can create a labels, progress, automatical, or you can add, like, I don't know, progress manual or rating even, or you can like add hidden custom links. So when I'm going to like add progress here manual, and I'm going to field name it manual progress, it will automatically appear right here, and I can add it, and you can literally create whatever you want, right? So I got like this here, this here, this here, whatever. And you can also add whatever you want here. Email, files, formula even, number, rating. And when I would go to table here, I can just click, let's just delete this one. And here I would add hidden that I created, manual progress, look at this. And I can see right now in my table the hidden column or hidden field that I can use here. See? And this is how you can simply use it. You can also add a formula, field name, sum. So yeah, really simple, really easy. Goodbye.